Hello friends. So I'm here with a new video, and in this video I will show you how to install RHEL on virtual machine. So previously I have created one video for RHEL installation on virtual box. However, this is pretty different. So this is in this video I will install RHEL on virtual machine. So if you will ask me which would be the best option, virtual machine or virtual box, so I would say that you should go with virtual machine, because virtual machine is having different types of algorithm which is automatically setting up the environment of virtual platform. Let's say Linux or Windows or whatever. So let's get started. So I will just open VM Ware Workstation Pro, which I have installed on my laptop. So this is the virtual machine GUI, graphical user interface, and here I will go to files and I will click on new virtual machine. As you could see, it is giving two options, typical and custom. So I will go with typical, that is recommended one. So custom may have different type of settings. You can see it is having some SCSI type of things. So this is related to something advanced. So I will go with typical recommended, which is like better to go in a general manner. And you could see here installer disk image file ISO. So I will just browse the location. So already it is fetching this location because previously I have used this, and I will select this RHEL workstation 7.1 and open it. So you can select your own ISO image, what you are having in your system, and then so it is automatically detecting it is Linux 764-bit detected. So something, so it is very advanced. So virtual machine is very advanced than Oracle VirtualBox. So here also you are having two options. I will install the operating system later. So if you want to check the operating system, how it looks like, how is the GUI, so you can go with this option. However, I would like to install it now only. So I will proceed for next, and here I will put my name, and username I will put Piyush, and password for now I am putting it as Piyush only, and I will click on next. So you could see it is asking the location where these drive or the space will be consumed. So I don't want it in C drive. I will just browse the location. I just want it in F drive. I have created one folder previously, VM. So here I want all the disk creation or the OS will be created inside this, and then I will click on next. So maximum disk size I will provide here 12 GB, not more than that, or let's say 13 GB, and split virtual disk into multiple files. So I don't want this, I want it in single file. So next, and I will check this option. So once the installation will be completed, it will automatically power on the machine. Okay, so here you could have a view at a glance. You could have all the things, name, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7, 64-bit location where disk will be created, version, workstation, or disk size, what we have provided 13 GB, and memory 2 GB. So 2048 MB means 2 GB of RAM. It's provided. Network adapter is NAT, and other device like CD, DVD, USB controller, printer, sound card, etc., etc. So nothing to bother about that. It will configure these things automatically. So now, the things what you need to see here, the memory. So my host machine is having 8 GB of memory. That's why here I'm okay with 2 GB. But in case you want to change the memory size, you could click on customize hardware, and here you will get the option. You can increase it, you can decrease it. So you could see the basic recommended size for this version of Linux for RHEL 7.1 is 2 GB. You can see here it is green. So blue is okay. Blue will be more better. And you can see the guest OS recommendation minimum 1 GB. In case you will select less than 1 GB, then the operating system you are going to load on this virtual machine would be lagging. So it is better at least keep it 1 GB. That will be also not feasible for the current operating system what is available in the market. So it's better you can provide 2 GB of RAM. So I will go with 2 GB only. Here I can set to 2048. So that's exactly 2 GB, 2048 MB. And yeah, this option, I will check this option because after installation, I want that machine to get automatically turned on. So now I will click on finish, and it is starting the installation. You can see installation is in progress. So in the meanwhile, we will go to the location where we have given the path for the disk creation in F drive VM. So you can see how many file is getting created automatically inside this path. So you can see here, this is the screen where virtual machine is doing its job, and this is the place where the files are getting created. So we need to wait until the installation completes. Let's see how much time it will take to complete the installation. Okay, so I got something here. You can see something is going on. Yeah, as you could see, it is starting package installation process. In the meanwhile, it is asking for root password, and I will just click on it. Okay, root password is set. Now I will create a user. I will put the name as Piyush and make this user as administrator. Then password again, I will put it as Piyush, and here also I will put it as Piyush. Then what is in advance? Let me just check it out. Okay, so this doesn't require for now. Cancel. Yep. So I will click on done. Done again. So now user creation and root password is graded out. It means it is created successfully. And here you could see installation process is going on. I could make it in full screen. I will just enter the full screen mode, and here you could have a proper view of it. So we need to wait until the installation completes. So it will take some time. In the meanwhile, you could go and grab a cup of tea just for the refreshment. So anyway, we need to wait for it. So as you could see, the installation is completed and it is starting again. So you remember I have checked that option. So once the installation will be completed, OS will reboot and power on the machine. So let's wait until the desktop get loaded. Okay, so as you could see, it came and I need to log in. So let's log in into it. Uh, let's enter the password. Okay. So now the desktop is loading. So as you could see, it stretched automatically to full screen as per my screen resolution. So this is the best part. What I feel is better than the virtual box. So I will just go with United States, next, then next, then start using Enterprise Linux. And in the beginning, this browser will open. This is a browser, just the Genome Help Center. So no need to see that. Just now I will open the terminal. And yes, so everything has been configured properly. You can see the screen resolution, which was previously it was getting cropped from left and right side. It is adjusted automatically. And if I am coming back to normal mode, like so, here you could see you can use it like this also. If I will make a scaled view. Oh, no, it is actually a stretched view. Yep. So now you could see whole area of the screen has been adjusted in this workspace. And you can work from here also, or else you can go to full screen mode. And so that's it. So this is how you could install the RHEL. Let me just check few things. I'll go to settings, then details. So right now device name is showing as localhost dot local domain. Okay. And memory is 1.8 GB. core and this KVM 12.5 GB. Okay, I forgot one more thing. I would like to see the display settings. So in display, so right now you could see it is in 16:10 ratio. However, my screen is not of this ratio. My screen is of 16:9 ratio. So let me just check if I am setting it to 16:9. So right now it is 1280 into 768. So here is the highest resolution. Oh, there are more. So if I'm setting it to this, let's see what happens, because in virtual box this thing was not working properly. Let me try the same in virtual machine. Okay, then I will click on apply. Okay. Oh no, it is working properly. So you can see here everything got very small, but the full screen is visible. It is not getting cropped, it is not getting like improper display. It is in a proper position. So anyway, this much small is still not viewable. We can't able to view the things. So this settings is for the bigger screen. So I will go with 16:9 ratio. 16:9. Only one is available for 16:9. Okay. And I will click on apply. Keep this configuration. And now it is in 16:9 ratio. This is the perfect size what I want. So terminal is already open. So let me just check if it could be connected to internet. If I could use the internet. Okay, my host machine itself is not connected to internet. Let me just connect it to internet, Wi-Fi network. So my router went in bad state. I have rebooted my router just now and I'm trying to connect it once again. Let's see if it is connecting. Of course it will connect. Yeah, it is connected now. So in the meanwhile, I have turned off the virtual machine network connection. Now I will just switch it on. So let's come to virtual machine. Here it is. So I will just switch it on now. And let's ping google.com. I will just make it full screen. And let's just ping google.com. Okay, it is pinging. So it means we can access internet. So no any additional settings. So this is what I told you in the beginning. So this is the advantage and plus point of using virtual machine rather than using VirtualBox, because in VirtualBox you need to do several settings to achieve these things, achieve internet connection, and even if you are closing the application next time, it is not sure that it will work. So yes, virtual machine is well and good, and the VirtualBox. Let me just change the view. I will go to edit profile preference and colors. I will just uncheck this and close. Okay, now it is properly visible. So I will just press Ctrl C. So it is installed, and so if you feel that this is helpful for you, if you feel that this is more helpful than the Oracle VirtualBox, please do comment in the comment section below what you have experienced in case you have installed this thing after watching my video. And if you are having any doubts or queries, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I will respond on those comments. So that's it for today. Please do like this video, share this video to other needy peoples, and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. And yes, do press the bell icon to get the quick notification about my latest videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.